Welcome and thank you for ordering the Covert mobile bar plugin. Now before you continue to your download area, we have an important one-time special offer for new members only. This is optional, but you're only ever going to see this video once, so please pay attention. If you snooze, you lose. How would you like to gain an almost unfair advantage over everyone else? Well, now you can when you put your profits in overdrive with the too powerful to make public advanced features of Covert Mobile Bar Pro. The Pro version has been specifically designed to maximize your clicks and profits from using Covert Mobile Bar. But before I show you how, we need to get two things straight. When we say too powerful to make public, we mean it. In order to make this exclusive and as effective as possible for you, Covert Mobile Bar Pro will only ever be offered to existing members. But we also want to be completely honest with you, and some of the Pro features are so powerful that we are going to offer those in a standalone product later on at a much higher price. So if you leave this page, the low early bird price you see below will be gone forever. This is a true one-time offer. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at what Covert Mobile Bar Pro can do, how it can increase your clicks and sales. And in order to do that, I want to take you inside my own WordPress admin area to show you exactly what's under the hood, how it works, and what it can do for you. So we're going to head into my WordPress admin area here, and I have the Covert Mobile Bar Pro plugin installed, as you can see here. Now the first thing you'll notice is that in the Pro version you can use up to 5 mobile bars on your blog at any given time, whereas in the standard version you can only use 1. And let me illustrate what you can use this for, because this gives you a lot of extra flexibility and ability to really target your mobile bar ads to your visitors. So what you could, for example, can use the 5 bars to is, say I have mobile bar 1, which is the one I'm working on now. I could set mobile bar 1 to only show on the home page. So then I could make mobile bar 3 here and say, okay, number 1 shows on the home page, so I want this one to show for single posts. Then I could take bar number 5 and make that one the one that shows for only pages, and so on, so you can really target it to your specific content. What you can also do is, for example, say this bar, I only want this one to show for people on Apple devices, and then show it on the home page. Right, so now I'm creating a bar here that only shows on iPhones and other Apple devices and only on the home page. Then I could create a second bar and say only show for Android devices on a given page, for example the home page. And what would happen here is that I could make an ad that really targets Apple users and links to something, for example in the iTunes store through the affiliate program, or something else that's targeted to Apple users, and this will only be shown to Apple users. And then simultaneously I could have a bar that targets Android users, and that's just one of the options here. So you get 5 different bars and full control over where you want to show them and who you want to show them to. Again, a lot of extra flexibility and the ability to really target your mobile bars to your specific visitors. Now, along with being able to use 5 different bars at the same time, perhaps even more powerful, you get full tracking stats for those. And as you can see here, it has bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it will tell what type of bar it is. Now I only have 1 bar active at the moment, but if I had them all active, they would all be here and be tracking. And what it does, it tracks the number of impressions a mobile bar has received, the number of clicks on it, and gives the click-through percentage. As you can see here, this particular bar only has 12 impressions, 2 clicks, and that gives the click-through rate of 16.67%. Now this is just me testing, refreshing and clicking myself, and that's also why there's nothing for the others and all that good stuff. And it will aggregate down here, and this doesn't add up here, and that's again because I'm testing right now and have been reinstalling the plugin turning bars on and off and without using the resets. But what will happen for you is that you will get full impression, click and click-through tracking for all your active mobile bars, and it will aggregate down here. And what you can use this for is you can go in and see, is there a specific one of my mobile bars that's performing way better than the others? Then you go make more of that one. Is the one that's underperforming? Then you change that one into something that's closer to the ones that are performing. And this, along with the ability to run 5 bars at the same time, decide where you want them and who sees them, the ability thus to target your ads more to specific groups of people. You can now also get full tracking, so you can see if what you're doing is working and continuously improve it, and over time this will get you much better click-through rate and thus a lot more profit from your mobile traffic. So 5 bars at once with full tracking for all of them is a pro only feature. Now we're not done yet, and perhaps even more powerful. In the Pro version you can have 4 different styles of mobile bars, and what you're seeing here is the smart bar, and this is the one we were using in the standard version you saw on the previous page. So this is identical to what is in the standard version, but in the Pro version you have 3 tabs here with additional styles of bars that you can use. I'm just going to go through each one of them. I will start out here to the right with the custom HTML. And what this allows you to do is to simply add in any HTML code here and then make the bar look exactly the way you want it to look. As you can see here, I just put in some here with different colors, something highlighted in yellow and so on, but you can literally put any HTML in here and make exactly what you want, and you can also change the background color to fit your HTML creation. So this option gives you full creative freedom to create exactly the bar you want to create. And you can still click track any links you put in here just by adding this ID up here, and it's explained and it's very easy to do. So you get the custom HTML, and let's just activate that, and just to show you that it works perfectly on an iPhone. So here we are. This is what we had from the standard version. I've just updated with the custom HTML, so we're just going to refresh and have a look at that. And here you go. This is how the HTML will look on an iPhone. Now it does look slightly different than it does in a web browser. That is normal. Mobile browsers act differently, but the essence is there. It is the same colors, it's the same font, and you got the yellow highlight. And this is just my quick creation, but you could put anything you wanted in there in HTML and create exactly what you wanted. So that's the custom HTML. The second additional option is the banners, and this is probably the easiest way to use the Covert Mobile Bar Pro, because all you have to do is enter an image link or upload a banner here and tell the plugin which link to send people to when they click on the banner, and then you can decide whether it should open in a new window or not. And as you can see, I've actually uploaded a standard sized banner, a 468 by 60, and the plugin automatically resized it to something that'll fit on an iPhone. A mobile banner is this size, and don't fret if you don't have any of that size, because we also have the Mobile Banner Creator, which is a free program where you can create your own banners in a drag and drop style, and they fit perfectly in here. So simply upload a banner, enter the link, and now you're using banners on your Covert Mobile Bar. And let's have a look at how that looks. We're just reloading the page here, and the mobile bar will pop up again, and this time with a banner. And my internet is a little bit slow tonight for some reason, but it's loading now, and come on, there is the banner. And this is what it would look like on an iPhone. So you see, super easy to add any banners for any affiliate products or any of your own sites in the mobile bar and have them show for your mobile traffic. And the final thing here I want to show you is AdSense, and this is potentially the most powerful one, where Covert Mobile Bar Pro integrates with AdSense. So all you have to do is go into your AdSense account and create a mobile AdSense block or unit, and in the size it says here, and then you just paste your AdSense code in here and you're good to go. Now in the preview here you don't see AdSense, and that's because I've just created this AdSense code, and if you use AdSense yourself, you know that sometimes it takes a little bit before AdSense actually starts showing up on your page. But I do have an example page where it's working on, so we can go look at that right now. And it should be on this one here. And it's loading up right now. And there goes the Covert Mobile Bar, and now with AdSense. And don't worry if this looks Greek to you, that's because it is Greek. I live in Cyprus, so it's targeting the ad perfectly to me. But this is a mobile AdSense unit. It pops up here at the top of your blog in the Covert Mobile Bar, and obviously you earn money when people click on this when they surf your site on their mobile phone. And the thing is here, you might already have AdSense on your site, but you know it would be somewhere down here. It wouldn't be the mobile AdSense blocks. It might be hidden on your sidebar, which would be pushed way down. But now, with the Covert Mobile Bar Pro, you can simply create your mobile AdSense unit, paste it in here, and run with the AdSense bar type here, and have AdSense, mobile AdSense on your blog. It's just that easy. So that's what you get with the Pro version of Covert Mobile Bar. You get to use 5 bars at the same time. You get full tracking and reports. You get to use the Smart Bar as in the standard version, but you also get to do full custom HTML to create exactly what you want. You can use banners in your mobile bars, and you get to use AdSense in your mobile bar. So that's a quick look at how it works, what it can do, and I just want to hit back to the slides here and finish up, because I probably had you at more clicks and profit, but you're also likely asking, what's the Covert Mobile Bar Pro plugin going to cost me? And it's going to cost you much less than you think. But first, let's recap again what's included. You can use up to 5 mobile bars at the same time for a lot of extra flexibility and the ability to really target your ads to specific audiences on specific pages. And to help you up with that, you get full tracking reports on all your mobile bars, so you can see how many impressions they have, how many clicks they have, what the click-through rate is, and then you can optimize them and continuously increase your click-through rates and your profits. And you also get the 3 extra powerful mobile bar formats on top of the Smart Bar. And that means you can use AdSense on your mobile bars, you can add banners to your mobile bars, and you can use custom HTML on your mobile bars to create exactly what you want. You also get free lifetime updates, and if you order right now, you will also get multi-site and developer's license included at no extra cost. And that means you can use this Pro version of the plugin on as many of your own blogs as you like. You can include the Pro plugin on sites you flip or on sites you build for clients. But remember, the price you see below is a one-time offer. So click the button below to secure your Pro upgrade now.